Chalkboard Tales, the place where magic makes sense, logic takes a vacation, and imagination is our superpower. Hey there, dreamers! It's your buddy Amir. We are back with the third episode of Chalkboard Tales. We're about to witness a tale as old as time. The Boy, the Lie, and the Lion. It's a story that whispers a warning. Once trust is broken, it's a fragile thing to mend. A liar's voice, even when it speaks truth, may sound like another empty promise. Ready to go? Subscribe and hit the bell for more. Here we go. In a quaint, picturesque village surrounded by lush green fields, a mischievous young boy with a fondness for tricks lived there. The villagers, going about their daily routines, often found themselves at the receiving end of his antics. He liked to play tricks. One trick was about a lion. He'd yell, "Lion!" and make it sound real. People would stop what they were doing and run to help, but it was just a joke. He'd laugh at them. The first time they laughed, they thought it was just a kid playing, but the boy kept doing it. The second time, he yelled again. People ran again. This time they weren't happy. They smiled, but they were annoyed. The third time, they were really tired of it. They knew it was another trick. They came, but they didn't believe him. Each time he lied, they trusted him less. This hurt their village because they were all close. One day, when the sun was going down, a real lion came out of the woods. It growled. The boy got very scared. He ran to the village, yelling for help, but no one came. They didn't believe him. They thought it was just another trick. He was very scared. He knew he'd made a big mistake, but it was too late. The lion hurt him. He was alone. He learned that day, when you lie, nobody believes you, even when you tell the truth. Take-home message. From then on, the tale of the boy and the lion served as a poignant reminder to the village. Trust, once broken, is a difficult thing to mend.